Hey there! Have you ever encountered a problem while waiting for a long-running command to finish? Perhaps you've noticed that your entered text gets lost, or the second command doesn't execute as expected. Well, fear not, because I've got some insights for you on this puzzling issue. Let's dive into the solution to this inconvenience. It turns out that the culprit behind the disappearing input is none other than Sudo. Recently, a default setting called use_proprietary was enabled to enhance security measures. This setting, while beneficial for security, unfortunately leads to the premature consumption of input. By reverting to the old behavior of not allocating a new TTY, you can prevent Sudo from eating up your commands. Just keep in mind that this might expose you to certain legacy security risks. In summary, the recent change in the Sudo configuration might be causing your frustration with lost input while running commands. By understanding the rationale behind this modification, you can make an informed decision on how to address the issue. I hope this explanation sheds some light on the unexpected behavior you've been experiencing. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below for more tech tips and quirky insights. Happy coding!